Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V21e and let me share with you how to soft reset your device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working, it does not respond to your touches, you cannot do anything, enter any app, etc. You can try to force restart it, and in order to do that you have to simply press the power button, which is right here, and press it long enough to make your device restart itself. So let me try to do it. I'm pressing the power button right now. As you can see, we've got this restart option at the top, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. Because the screen does not work, and here we've got the black screen. I felt the vibration. We've got also the developer's logo, which simply means that your device is right now turning on again. So basically right now you have to wait, and hopefully it will work normally after switching on. So basically that's all. This is how to soft reset your VIVO V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.